Maytag Refrigerator Repair Services in Los Angeles specialize in Maytag refrigerator repair that consists of Maytag refrigerator freezer repair, Maytag French door refrigerator repair, and Maytag refrigerator repair parts, along with all other Maytag refrigerator models. If your Maytag refrigerator is not cold enough, or your refrigerator water dispenser is not working, maybe your refrigerator ice maker is not working, or your refrigerator is not defrosting, maybe your refrigerator is noisy or loud, or your refrigerator has defrost drain problems, or your refrigerator is leaking water. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.